Hey everyone, welcome back to an update on the 67 GTO. Well, we finally reached the milestone. We're ready to install the new floor into the car. What I'll do here in a moment is I'll set the camera down and we'll see if I can get this thing installed by myself. But I just want to show you, I've got all my holes punched for all my spot welds, and I cleaned off all the paint where we're going to be putting some weld. All the way around, down both sides. A lot of welding here. There's hours worth of welding. So this ought to be fun to put in. There's the corresponding holes punched in the rockers. That's on both sides. No need to show you the other side. But she's ready to go in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause here. I'll set the camera up and then we'll see if we can get this thing installed. Get my gloves on here. We'll stand this up. See if I can't put this in the car by myself. Hung up on something there. Interesting. Oh, I see. Okay. Turn it. There we go. Go. Let's get a clamp on that. Well, actually, you got to push the back in. Set that down. There we go. That's it. Now it won't fall on me. You can see I welded washers. We got one there and then one down there. This is the seat back. This area here is behind the seat, and I needed to pull this area back. And it was real difficult to do from the back side, so I just used a ratchet strap, hooked it into here, hooked it into the brace in the back for the trunk support, pulled all this back, and welded it, that side and that one, and now the back is set. Now I can continue on with welding the rest of the floor. I think that's going to work. Looks good. I'm not going to bore you guys with the rest of this, but you can see how easily that went in. Used a little bit of leverage. Picked it up by myself, didn't need any help, put it in. Now the fun part, getting everything finished, lined up, and then welding. I'll be welding on this for hours, so gonna be fun. Stay tuned.